Greetings from Edu Aspirants, our YouTube channel to ace academics, competitive exams, entrance exams, as also for enrichment of knowledge. In the series of our videos on India in chapter 31, States and Union Territories, let us see what we have for you in this northeast state of Assam. Assam, that is how we see the seven sisters, and Assam is here, Sikkim is here. Capital Dispur. Area 78,500 square kilometers. Population 3.12 crore. Principal language Assamia and Bodo. Animal one-horned rhinoceros. Bird white-winged wood duck. Tree holong. Flower foxtail orchids. Fruit kaji nemu, which is a citrus lemon fruit. History. Assam is derived from the Sanskrit word asoma, meaning peerless, and also from Ahoms. Austric, Mongolian, Dravidian, and Aryan races came to this land centuries ago and contributed to its rich composite culture. Assam was known as Prag Jyotisha during the epic period and later named as Kamrup. The epigraphic reference of Kamrup is found in the Allahabad pillar inscription of King Samudragupta. Kamrup is mentioned as a friendly pratyanta or frontier state outside the Gupta Empire because they could not overwhelm this region. Yun Sang, the Chinese scholar, visited Kamrup in about 743 AD on invitation of its monarch Kumar Bhaskar Varman and left a record of the kingdom that he called Kamulupa. Kamrup is also in the writings of the Arabian historian Al-Biruni in the 11th century. The advent of the Ahoms across eastern hills in 1228 AD was the turning point in its history. They ruled Assam for 6 centuries. Burmese entered through the eastern borders and overran the territory of the Ahom royalty. It became a British protectorate in 1826 when the Burmese ceded Assam to the British under the Treaty of Yandabu. Geography. Assam is situated in the northeast of the country between 89°42' east and 96° east longitude and 24°8' north and 28°2' north latitudes. Assam is also known as land of Red River and Blue Hills. River Brahmaputra flows through it. 3,200-kilometer international boundaries surround the state. It is surrounded by Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh on the north, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh on the east, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram on the south, and Bangladesh, Bengal and West Bengal on the west. So this is the map of Assam. This is Arunachal, Bhutan, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Bangladesh, Tripura, Mizoram, all these places, Nagaland. 3 of 6 physiographic divisions of India are in Assam. And what are these? The northern Himalayas, eastern hills, the northern plains, Brahmaputra plain, and Deccan plateau, the Karbi Anglong. As the Brahmaputra flows in Assam, the climate here is cold and rainfall is widespread. The hills of Karbi Anglong, North Chachar, and those close to Guwahati, also Khasi Garo Hills, are originally part of the South Indian plateau system. In the south, the Barak River, originating in the Boreal Range, Assam-Nagaland border, flows through the Chachar district with a 40 to 50 kilometer wide valley and enters Bangladesh as the Surma River. The prominent towns and cities of Assam are situated in this almond-shaped valley. The second natural division is the Barak or Surma Valley of hills and beels or lakes which is surrounded by North Chhattisgarh, Manipur and Mizoram. Agriculture. Assam has abundant fertile land and water. The mighty river Brahmaputra and the Barak River, with their 121 small and tiny tributaries and branches, flow through the two valleys, keeping the state fertile and cool. Rice and production of food grains has increased tremendously. Forest and wildlife. Forest and tree cover accounts for 37.33% of total geographical area of Assam. About 180 species of mammals, including globally threatened species such as the golden langur, hoolock gibbon, pygmy hawk, hispid hare, white-winged wood duck, tiger, clouded leopard, elephant, swamp deer, Gangetic dolphin, all of these inhabit the state. More than 800 species of birds and about 195 species of reptiles dwell in the state. Wildlife conservation efforts have resulted in the rise of tiger population in Assam. The rhino population in Assam stands at 2,624 as per the 2015 census. Industry. Key industries in Assam are tea production, which accounts for a significant portion of global tea output, and the oil and natural gas sector. Assam is on the path of development, laying emphasis on creation of ecologically compliant assets in a sustainable manner. Transport. Roads. More than 23,000 kilometers of all-weather roads and about 3,800 RCC bridges have been constructed and work is continuing. Railways. The Northeast Frontier Railway, Malegaon, is one of the 18 railway zones of the Indian Railways, which is headquartered in Malegaon. Aviation. Gopinath Bordoloi Airport is also known as the Guwahati International Airport. It is the primary international airport of the northeastern states, located in Borjhar near Guwahati. The easternmost airport of the country, the Dibrugarh Airport at Mohanbari, serves the upper part of Assam and eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh. Jorhat or Rauria Airport is also used by the Air Force. Kumbhirgram Airport or Silchar Airport is known to be the fourth busiest airport of northeast India. The Leelabari Airport is located in Lakhimpur district for serving Arunachal Pradesh. Saloni Bari Airport of the Airports Authority of India, located 10 kilometers from Tezpur city, is a public and military airport operated by the Indian Air Force. Festivals. Bihu is by far the most important festival of Assam. Rongali Bihu or Bohag Bihu coincides with the Assamese New Year. The harvest festival known as the Bhogali Bihu or Magha Bihu. So these are to be remembered. The Kangali Bihu or Kati Bihu is solemnly observed for love and yearning, that is desires. The Bodos, the largest tribal group, perform Kherai Puja as a festival. The Kherai Puja is a shamanistic, spirits and visible world mediation dance. Bathau is another important puja of the Bodos. Tourism. The natural beauty, the environment, the rich topography, the unique flora and fauna, the biodiversity, virgin forests, proud hills and green valleys all contribute in making Assam a major hub for wildlife and ecotourism. The 7 national parks, 19 wildlife sanctuaries and 3 bird sanctuaries are treasure houses of rare flora and fauna. Important places of tourism are Kamakhya Temple, Umanand Peacock Island Temple, Kaziranga National Park, Navagraha Temple of 9 Planets, Vasistha Ashram, Daud Govinda Temple, the State Zoo, the State Museum, Saraighat Bridge, Sri Mata Shankara Dev Kalakshetra Science Museum, and Madan Kamdev Temple, a magnificent archaeological place of interest in Assam. Art and craft, cane and bamboo craft, bell metal and brass craft, silk and cotton weaving, toy and mask making, pottery and terracotta work, woodcraft, jewelry making and musical instruments are major traditions of Assam. Historically, Assam also excelled in making boats, traditional guns and gunpowder, colors and paints. Articles of lac, traditional building materials, and utilities from iron are also a major craft of Assam. This brings us to the end of the video on the northeastern state of Assam. Please subscribe, like, share, and do press the bell icon for updates. Keep revising. You will surely have questions from this video also in your forthcoming exams.